世界
World
技術
Technology
最先端
Leading Edge
情報
Information World Techstream Android Cafe International. Hello everyone, this is World Techstream, live on Newsstream Global Program. We're showing the cutting edge of technology. At this time and also at next time, we're concentrating on 2012 International CES, the latest consumer electronics got together. It was exhibited from 13th of January at Las Vegas in the United States. Now, I'd like to introduce the guest today. This is OESF International Operation Executive Director, Mr. Tatsukine.
Hi, how are you doing, Lisa?
Thank you. And this is OESF, the chairman of Mr. Masataka
Hi.
Miura.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Nice to
Hi.
meet you.
Yeah, fine.
So I want to ask a question to both of you. And how was the impression of the 2012 International CES?
Well, we've been there for about a week, and I thought Las Vegas is very cold.
Oh, really?
But actually, look at this blue sky, and the temperature is not that bad. And inside the hotel is very warm, so it was okay. And quite a few people came to CES. I felt that economies in the States are coming up again.
Right. Very good.
So Miura-san was there too, right?
Oh, yes.
Just
So,
a short period of time.
Yeah, and only 2 or 3 days to get the interview.
Busy
Yeah,
stay.
yeah.
Right.
And there are quite a few foreign visitors too. Of course, many Chinese people, Taiwanese people, because OEM, ODM companies were present. And also new technologies such as you see here in the car navigation system and 3D technologies. Korean companies are really
Yeah,
having a big booth over
that's
there.
right. Yeah,
Right.
very exciting.
Yes.
My first impression is, the very crowded. So many people.
Yeah.
I heard that is the what record of history of CES show. They have a 44 years history.
Right.
But
Wow.
this time it was the biggest one. Yeah, surprised that. Yeah.
And also the booth itself is 12 times bigger than Tokyo Dome.
I had that. Yeah.
Wow, it's
Yeah,
So
huge.
if you
Huge,
walk from
right.
the other side to the other side, it takes more than 30 minutes or more than that.
Yeah.
I was really tired.
Yeah, I know. But the 2 separate, places. One is nearby Hilton Hotel, another one is Venetian. Yeah, both sides.
Right.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. Now, I like to show some highlights. Now, let's move on. World Techstream. World Technology Leading Edge Information World Techstream Android Cafe International. So, Mr. Sekine, what is the highlight of 2012 International CES?
Yes, one of the highlights is Google TV. Korean companies are showing Google TV called the Google 2.0, and that was very interesting.
Right.
And some other companies are showing smart TV. Of course, it's based on the Android platform.
Right.
So it's going to be a new technology trend in the future.
Right. Thank you very much. Now, let's check out the LG booth.
As a national product trainer for LG Electronics, and this year we're really highlighting our 2012 Google TV experience. So Google TV Google TV 2.0, and really amazing technology. So one of the big things that we've done this year is we've made the technology much faster, we've made the technology a little bit smarter, and we've made it much easier to use. One of the big things that we're going to use today is we're going to talk about LG Smart Remote or Magic Motion Remote. This is a dual accelerometer RF chipset, and that allows you to take direct control.
It's connected to Bluetooth and something like that?
No, RF.
I see.
RF. So let's take a quick look though at what Google TV is capable of doing. So what we're going to do right now is we're going to take advantage. Let's go into some live TV. Google TV will work with any cable TV or satellite provider. Again, this is working around HTML5. At some point, if I wanted to do a quick search on the unit, so let's go to, this is a full QWERTY keyboard on the back side of the remote control. So what we're going to do is we're going to search one of my favorite TV shows. Do you like CSI?
Yeah, that's very famous.
CSI is playing right now, so let's go check out CSI. And it's that quick to be able to navigate through. But the search functionality is just absolutely amazing. I can search just TV and movie. I can search it on the web through Google. I can see what's currently playing. The best part about this though, I can rent all of those movies. So let's go to an older movie right now. And what I can do is Vantage Point is currently playing, but if the movie wasn't playing, I could go down and I could rent this. Now we'll give me the option of renting. I can go to FXHD, and that's free right now. Or if it wasn't on, I could set that up, or I could go directly to Amazon and I could rent that immediately. So lots of different parameters that are out there. Now the cool thing though is that when we talk about Google TV, we really want to get into the power of what Google brings to the internet across the board. So one of the big things is just the power of that search functionality. Let's go check out TVs and movies. Now what this will do is this will make suggestions based off of what's currently on TV right now. So this is searching based off of things that Google knows that I like to watch, and it will begin to make suggestions. It saw that I watched V for Vendetta last night, and it says, hey, you like that movie? It's on again, and there's 2 hours and 14 minutes left. So it will make automatic suggestions. It will also tie in and work with your existing hardware. All right, so one of the big advantages though is in addition to the live TV suggestions, what we want to do is we can take advantage of working directly with, I can separate this by show, I can separate this by movie. But what I really like though is I can have it generate just what's on my hard drive. So different profiles for different people. My wife would not see this content, I wouldn't see my wife's content. Let's go back to the home screen and talk about the internet capability as well. And one of the strong things with Google TV is that I can take advantage of Google-enabled websites or sites that are designed specifically for Google, the Google TV experience. This will give me the ability to go through and see different types of games that are optimized for Google TV, different type of lifestyle, music, or news. So let's take a quick look at news. Now what will happen is when I connect in on CNN, this is going to harvest all the dedicated video on CNN's website across latest news, most popular. It'll also take me right back into the full website, so I don't need to back out and go to Google Chrome to take advantage. And it will pull that up pretty quickly across the board. Now, we're just waiting for that video to populate. It's CES, so lots of web traffic coming across here again and again. All right, while we're waiting for that, we can bring up and go back into that home screen and get into that Android Marketplace. Now with Android Marketplace, I can take any of my Android tablets.
I see.
I can take any of my Android tablets. I can take any of my Android phones. And if you like Angry Birds,
Yeah.
I like Angry
Yeah.
Birds. We can play Angry Birds on the TV with
On the
no
TV.
problem.
Uh-huh.
But what's cool about Android is that not only they're building for tablets and for phones, they're also building websites that are featured directly for the TV.
I see.
One of the cool things, I mean, there's so much that's out there. I like to cook, as you can tell, all recipes, so as I'm making dinner, I can watch TV, get more interactive with that. Thews is a great sports website that interacts directly with the TV viewing. So much content that's out there and growing across. This is going to be a really strong year, I think, for Google TV and for LG across the board. Full customizable web applications, really strong user interface, dual core processing, everything your customers are looking for.
Okay. Is this already available in the market?
So this will be available in 2012.
2012.
So we're not saying at CES first half or second half, but definitely this year worldwide.
I see. That's produced by LG. The hardware itself is some box, or it's built in.
It's going to be built right into the TV.
I see. All right. It will be available very soon.
Very, very soon.
Okay.
I don't know how much, but I offered $5.
Okay.
They said no way.
All right.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Have a good day.
So how was the impression of LG?
Yes, that was very interesting. One of the seamless technology, connected TV, connecting home theater on the TV screen, and also tablet and a smartphone. So LG is doing very good job, I guess.
Right. What did you think, Mr. Mira?
Yeah, I think that's some changing the trend. Okay, and everybody now enjoying the broadcasted TV. That will be broadcast from the internet. Okay, and another amazing thing in the LG booth is that demonstration is only a 2D, but the others demonstration,
Oh yes,
everything
I've
is
seen the LG
yeah, 3D.
It was amazing. I was really scared because something flying,
flying,
Yeah,
soccer ball
yeah.
flying,
That's
and
right.
yeah.
And everyone said, ah! Yeah. So
But it's very easy. It's only a polarized glasses.
Yes.
Very easy to
Yeah.
realize that. And another technology point of view, that they introduced 55 inches and OLED type of panel. Okay, that only a 5 millimeter thin. Yeah, amazing.
That's amazing.
Yeah, amazing product. That will change the world. Okay.
yeah. I just saw the screen that there was an Android market on the Google TV.
Yep.
But that contents like games and other applications, it's just for the Google TV.
Yes, some of the application is can run on your smartphone and the tablet and also Google TV. But Google already provided some development kit for the dedicated application for Google TV.
Yeah.
Okay, this is that already the thousand of application already in
For the TV.
only for Google TV.
But he mentioned about the Angry Bird.
That's right. That can run everywhere.
Yeah, so
Yes.
you can play with the smartphone, tablet,
Tablet,
and
on the
also
TV.
Google TV.
Google
Right,
TV.
right.
Yeah.
How do you do that? Do they have a console?
Oh
for that
yes,
game?
that's a very exciting console. It's a very simple console. In the back one, it has a full keyboard.
Keyboard.
Yeah, it's connected by the through the RF radio frequency. So that means it doesn't have a it is not a usual infrared connection. It's connected through the radio frequency. That it's no direction dependency. Yeah,
Right.
and that's very good. Yeah.
Right.
Easy to operate.
Right.
Usually the Japanese TV has a very big, keyboard. Okay, many buttons top on that. That's very simple.
Yes, that is. Thank you very much. So, Mr. Sekine, what's the next highlight?
Okay, the next one is Motorola. We know Motorola is a telephone company, but
Yes.
at the CES they show very interesting application.
Right.
So let's take a look.
So, let's check out Motorola.
All right, so let's talk a little bit about Moto Active. And what we really want to do with Moto Active here at CES 2012 is really deliver a device that is not just focused on fitness, but also music. So it's a device that puts two best worlds together. So you got fitness and music, okay? Another nice thing about it is that we really want to deliver this technology into health and fitness. And we're going to do this today with Moto Active. So let's go ahead and take a walk into the life of the Moto Active unit here. On your left-hand side, you're going to see a monitor. And the monitor is going to really walk you through that experience of how a Moto Active will look on your wrist, or on your armband, or on a clip. So let's go ahead and get to know Moto Active a little bit more. So as you can see here, it really delivers that watch experience, or that sport watch experience. You got your calories that you burned. You also have the pace that you have, the paces that you've taken. So the powder environment, that's the one dimension of it. The other thing is that it is, hold on here, let me go ahead and set this up. All right, let's go back. So now we're going to go see how it interacts in your fitness side of things. So let's take a look at your running. So you can do running, cycling, walking, elliptical, and step machine. So let's take a look at running. You have outdoor purpose and indoor purposes. Your outdoor interaction, you're going to have a GPS environment. That's going to track your distance, your pace through GPS. Your indoor is through AccuSense technology. That's a sensor technology that actually just do motion. So that's your AccuSense technology interacting for indoor purposes. So let's go ahead and actually take a look at your music side of things. So the Moto Active actually comes going either with an 8 gig or a 16 gig capacity. That's what you'll have the option to interact with. And the other music things, fitness music. This is not just a music player. This is not just an MP3 player with 8 gigs worth of music. This is actually a smart music player. What it delivers is actually, it starts to understand what songs are actually delivering more of a stronger pace or heart rate. So the nice thing about the smart music actions that you're actually going to interact with Moto Active is that it starts to understand what songs motivate you. It's going to start to understand what songs actually increase your healthier heart zone and really perform better. So that's the message behind our smart music function. One more thing I want to talk about is the durability of Moto Active. The durability of Moto Active is not just for the elements. So it does have a resistance to snow, rain, and of course sweat, because you are going to be putting it into some strong daily workouts. The other thing is also based on a Gorilla Glass, as you can see here. So it's scratch resistant, it's very durable. And the other thing that you want to take a look at too is the eco environment that it participates in. So we do have a mount here for biking purposes, and we do have a wristband and an armband. I know that when you're working out, doing push-ups, lifting weights, you don't want to have something on your wrist. You want to have it on your armband, and you can definitely do that. And the last thing I want to talk about is basically the notification side of things. So now you're going to go in a long distance bike route, maybe 60 miles, and you want to still keep in touch. So the notification side of things, you can actually interact via Bluetooth with your Droid Racer, with your Droid Bionic, and have that on a pouch on the back of the bike. And now you're going to get a text message, and it's going to come through your Moto Active. So if you're in a bike here, you have the Moto Active here, and you get a text message, all you have to do is look down and read your text message. Also, if you want to interact with a phone call, the same way. You just look down, you can pick up a call, you can return a call, and all of that is being interactive via Bluetooth. And that's what Moto Active is here today at CES 2012 delivering. It's really pushing that innovation of fitness and technology. So thank you very much.
So how was the impression, Mr. Sekine?
Yes, that was also interesting application. Motorola is telephone handset company, but
Right.
they combine their product with the service. So I felt during the CES, many companies are moving towards service-oriented. So they are not only selling the product itself, but they sell the service with the hardware.
Right.
So what do you think?
Yeah, service centric.
Centric.
Yeah,
That's the
content.
one.
Another word is recently said they say this, content centric type of product.
Yeah.
You know, another keyword is one is the sensorization.
Oh.
Okay, it's you know, Android itself is very flexible. Okay, and you know, manufacturer can make their type of devices. Okay. And one big market will be, you know, healthcare type of business. That's huge market. This is one of the very good example. That, you know, research type of Android. It's usually checking heartbeat, okay, and those data will transfer to the, you know, cloud and the tablet, and people can check their health and something like that. Yeah. That is another trend.
I have application in my smartphone.
Yeah.
If I do jogging, it traces my route to the destination.
Oh, really?
The jogging?
Well,
Yes.
shaping up a little bit.
Okay.
Yes. So it tells me how many kilometers, how many miles I did the jogging, and also how many calories I
Right.
lost.
Yeah.
So it actually encouraging me,
I see.
but just application. So as the time goes on, I just forget about it. But this Motorola's service is really good.
Yeah,
because
I
someone
think
might
so.
be telling me, "Hey, you do more. And,
You
then
do more."
You lose more weight and something like that."
Right.
Yeah, that is another big market. Yeah, it's very, you know, that's based on the you know, Android flexibility. Okay, yeah, it's a very big business chance.
Yes.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. Now, what's the next highlight, Mr. Sekine?
Okay, the next highlight is connected home.
Oh, to connect home.
Yeah, that's another interesting topic. We will see a new device.
Right.
So let's check it out.
So now let's check out the Sigma designs.
Highlights for us at this show are several things.
I see.
What we are showcasing is several technologies actually. We have hybrid technologies on that wall, a whole bunch of connected media player technologies on this wall, and a whole bunch G.hn solutions and our Z-Wave solutions from the connectivity
I
group.
see. Yeah.
But I think what is most exciting
Yes.
is this. We have a product which we are launching called the Easy TV reference design. It's a reference design that is capable of taking your wireless media and displaying it using the power source of USB from the TV and HDMI to the TV. So all you need is this small Easy TV reference that you plug it back to your TV and stream to it. You can stream using several ways.
Yeah.
A lot of the Android phones have a solution or an application called Skifta. Skifta is an application done by a company called Qualcomm that makes the Snapdragon chipset. They're a partner, Qualcomm Atheros, and this product here has the Atheros radios. So what we are demonstrating here is that all the DLNA devices on the network appear in this
see.
device.
Yeah.
Then we select the device from which we want to stream, the source, and the device we want to stream to. So that is this device, and we select that device, and then we go into all the content that we want to stream. For instance, photos, we go into photos and go to the right photo and click on it, and it appears on the screen.
I see.
So the ability to take photos that are small
Yes.
here
Yeah.
and to share it with the family is the purpose of this. We can also do the same with videos. Now, what is
Even the real-time video.
Real-time
transfer
video.
through the network.
you can transfer through the network.
Yeah.
You can transfer videos from your NAS device, from your computers on the network, or you can do it peer-to-peer directly using wireless display. We partner with Qualcomm Atheros on wireless display. We are not only showcasing this product and this product. This product has a 1x1 radio. This product has a 2x2 radio. So we are showing the capabilities based on low power, low cost to high power, higher power with greater bandwidth
Connected
solution.
by the HDMI interface to the home
The
TV.
Yes.
Yeah.
So it has only two interfaces: USB for power, HDMI to TV for display.
I see.
Kifta application also supports streaming of video. Here we are streaming video from the application, where we take the application, stream the video, and it plays onto that.
I see.
We can choose to play this video either on this device or that device, or any other device
other
that supports Wi-Fi display.
I see.
It uses the basic technology from this application, which is available on all Android phones and tablets. So, with the use of this, you can really stream and put this. This is a concept called set-back box.
Set-back box.
Yes.
That's a new word.
It's a new terminology that's been
I see.
invented called
Set-back
box.
I see. It's the technology point of view. It's connected by the Wi-Fi, the Wi-Fi direct. It's a standard of Android from Android 4.0.
No, Wi-Fi Direct, I don't know if it will be supported in, but Wi-Fi Direct will be supported by Windows Media 8 and also by Intel in their solution, and also Atheros, which is also a key member of Wi-Fi
We
Alliance.
do not need any router, and it's directly connected.
You can connect peer-to-peer,
Peer-to-peer,
or through the router.
I see.
So it's
All
up
right.
to
All right,
all
great.
devices will support it.
Yes, a new idea.
New idea.
New direction. Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
I thought with the setback box, I thought it was easier to give presentations or share pictures with the family.
That's right.
Yeah.
Yes. The content sharing, this concept is really interesting because before we have to carry a long cable to make a presentation with the TV like this, but now all you need to do is just to have that Wi-Fi dongle that Sigma Designs is saying.
Right.
So if we have a Wi-Fi dongle and then connect to the HDMI terminal, then we can make a presentation. So that's really cool product, I guess.
Right.
And also DLNA technology evolved to this stage.
That's why the two key technologies. One is the DNA, digital living network architecture, and another one is the Wi-Fi direct.
Yes.
Okay, yeah, sometimes to connect to Wi-Fi, we need a router.
They are saying
but
peer-to-peer.
Yeah, that's peer-to-peer technology.
right.
Yeah, connected directly
Yeah.
from your smartphone to that dongle. Okay, and they transfer all of the data. Okay, that's a new trend. Okay,
Yeah.
peer-to-peer connection.
is.
Yeah.
Right. Thank you very much. So there were some Taiwanese companies at 2012 International CES. Now we will check them in next block. Okay, let's move on. What's next? World Techstream. World. Technology. Leading edge. Information. World Techstream. Android Cafe International. Now, from this block, we will introduce the Taiwanese companies at 2012 International CES. So, Mr. Sekine, how many Taiwanese companies were there?
Oh, how many? I don't know. Quite a few. And
really?
many American companies, at their background, is a Taiwanese company. And some president is Taiwanese or Chinese. So there are quite a few Taiwanese companies at the present
I think so.
in
Yeah,
the CES show.
This the over 35,000 attendance from the abroad. But many Taiwan companies they have in the booth.
There are many Oriental faces at the CES.
Yeah,
Many of them might be Koreans, Chinese, Japanese. And Taiwanese companies are really active in consumer electronics show. So we will take a look at some of those technologies.
But unfortunately, the over the around the 5 years and 10 years before, the many Japanese company and the Japanese people is working around that area. But recently, not many Korean and the Chinese and
So Asian power is really coming.
Right,
that's right.
right. So, now let's check out the first one, Universal Microelectronics.
The Universal Microelectronic Corporation in Taiwan, and booth. It's so-called UMEC, the very famous OEM ODM company. Would you please explain your company and yourself?
Okay, yes, I'll be glad to. Hi, my name is Kevin Ma, and I'm the business development director for UMEC. And UMEC has been in business for the past 30 years. We are a Taiwan public company, so we have different product line, and starting from the transformer receiver, power supply, and internet computer peripheral related, and also optic fibers, and also LCM. So, and for this CES show, our main focus is based on the Android tablet customizations.
Great. Okay, would you please some demonstration for your product lines and introduce your new technologies?
I'll be glad to. So basically, our main focus is we started with a demo board, which we actually design and manufacture the board underneath here, and with the screen, different kind of concept, the screen size, and to show our customization customers who was interested in customization.
So first, you demonstrate this prototype to customers.
To our customers, that's correct. Then with this concept build, then we do some talk. Then later on we come with a finished product, which is going to be like this.
Based on the customer request.
Based on customer request. So this is a tablet, Android tablet 2.3, and later on will be 4.0.
I see.
So this is one of the shape customer design for customers. Based on
this is 7 inches.
7-inch Android tablet. And can be used as an e-reader, and with the different kind of applications. You can load the e-market, Android market on top of that. So this customer, they are focused on the consumer market. So that's why they want to use it as a regular base tablet. And based also, but since our design capability and the customization capabilities, we come out with different kind of shape. Like for example, this is a 10-inch tablet, and this is used for special use as a media form.
Media form,
which means that you can go through the VoIP, video phone, also.
So that means the camera.
Camera is over here.
Oh, there.
There's a camera over here. And also with a speaker over here. And you can use, and there's a docking station, which is customers going to design that for us. This kind of media phone is basically using for home security or the elderly care people.
I see.
So this is also based on extension of what we designed for this board. And after that, we also have other kind of for home security using tablet. Like we have a
focus on home security.
Home security, desktop tablet. So there's a dock station down there. We have Ethernet connections and the USB storage over there. So basically, the customer, they will
what kind of functionality for provided to the customer?
For home security, home security they can use as a door phone.
A door phone.
Door phone.
Yeah.
And also since this is a tablet, so door phone is not just standing at the door. They can actually bring this with them inside any room because it's Wi-Fi connected.
I see.
And there's also have a built-in video phone connections in there as well. So our strength is basically do all kind of customizations for our customers.
All kind of customization.
Yes, all kind of customization. As you can see, we have even have different kind of connectors, RS-232, and Wi-Fi, Zigbee.
Yeah.
And there's a highly customization.
If a customer, would like to put different type of devices inside these devices, you can make it.
Yes, that's correct.
I see.
That's our main strength.
I know the many OEM, ODM type of companies in Taiwan. What is your strongest, your competitive edge?
Our strength is our flexibility, plus our strong engineer capability as well.
I see.
Because
it's a hardware engineer,
including the software as
engineer.
Well. Some of the software will cooperate with some of our partners. Then will be for time to market wise.
I see.
Yeah. So basically, what UMAC's strengths, we try to provide turnkey solution to our customers. So customers, they don't have to find different kind of components from different kind of sources. When you come to UMAC, we pretty much like a turnkey solutions. We are your only vendor, then we provide everything you need.
It is possible to ask you who is our biggest customer for you?
Biggest customers, some of the since OEM customers, and they don't want to show them, but some of them we do have I'm sorry, I should say that telecom companies.
Telecom company.
Chunghwa Telecom is one of them.
Chunghwa Telecom.
Yeah, we're working with them. Also, some of the OEM project, we have some Japanese customers.
Oh, really?
Koden. And also some of the casual electronics like Johnson Outdoors. And also, we have a long list of customers. They can go to the website to look in.
I see. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Then, is there any another topics in this show?
We have also optic fiber.
Optic fiber.
Optic fiber, USB 3.0 extender and HDMI extenders.
I see.
So right now the USB extension or optic fiber extensions, HDMI extensions, they are using copper, and copper with the extended length. For example, like 100 meters, you will lose a lot of the efficiencies. But with this optic fiber, efficiency there, also cost-wise will be cheaper.
I see. You have a various type of technology and component that if customer needs to integrate it inside in the devices, so you can do everything.
That's correct.
As the customer needs.
That's our main strength. That's what we
okay, fine. Okay. All right, thank you very much. And next, I would like to know your future vision or future direction of this industry.
What UMAC's vision is basically we believe in video communications. So actually all our products will be video related. So like a media forum or the media conference centers. Those are the future products we're going to head into. And also some of the car automations tools.
So those services will be created with your partners.
Yes.
Sometimes in the telecom carrier and the software developers and
That's correct.
Yeah, you're focused in the video area.
Yes, we are focused on the device making, but we need to find the partners.
Okay.
And they can actually utilize our device and our engineer strengths to help them to open up, to get to the market much faster.
Okay, and finally, so please send your message to our audience. You are looking for some good partners in the worldwide work together.
Yes. No problem.
Please send the message to
Okay.
our audience.
Yes. Actually, UMAX, what we are special as previous introductions. We are special. Our specialty is on the customizations for the Android tab phone tablet or a media phone or the media centers. So whoever's have interest in the hardware, software, in total integrations, we'll be glad to work with them.
So how was the impression, Mr. Sekinen?
Yes, so UMEC is one of the OEM ODM companies in Taiwan, and they are making different type of devices that you see. Tablet is one of their products. I remember for a few years ago, they produced one of the first tablet PC using the Freescale CPU, and also they are doing many different things like home security too.
Right.
That's very hot topic in Taiwan, and just the director said they are looking for partners, and I guess they are one of the good companies, and many companies are looking for OEM ODM, so why not contacting with them and talk about the business.
Right.
Okay, that says so. The many companies they exhibit the tablet, okay, Android, especially Android tablet, but recently many that they're using the same operating system Android, okay, and they already announced that to port a new one, the Android 4.0. But there's a big battle is happening. Last year, around the $200 of tablet. It's the battle. That is the battlefield.
$200 US dollars.
US dollars. For example, the Kindle Fire and from Amazon is $199. But first this year, that battle will be in around the 10.
At a lower price.
Around the 100. Okay. Yeah.
So tablet PC is getting more inexpensive.
Yeah. Okay. And plus next year, that will be
close to
$50
then
battle.
I can buy 2 or 3.
Yeah, me too.
But the
Yes.
recent announcement, still now some top of the pyramid people they targeting. Now the market itself is rapidly growing, and the middle of pyramid population and also
Bottom of pyramid.
and the bottom of pyramid, and for example Asian area, India and some
African
Indonesia, and that's very huge people.
Yes.
Yeah. And
OESF is planning to go to Indonesia.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
And as you see, OEM ODM, before they are just making the hardware, but UMAC too, they try to create a service-centric product, like he mentioned about education or home security.
Yeah.
So now it's another competition in between OEM ODM. Make a better proposal for the service.
It's the big chance for example, the Japanese solution providing type of companies. Okay, and the manufacturing point of view, the hardware point of view, they have a very good scale.
Yes.
Okay, and some of the Japanese company has a very good content and services to combine those and collaborate each other. That make a very big and very strong.
I agree.
Yeah.
Yes.
Right. Thank you very much. Okay, now let's move on. What's the next one? World Techstream. World Technology. Leading edge. Information. World Techstream. Android Cafe International. The next Taiwanese company at 2012 International CES is Integrated Digital Technologies. So, Mr. Sekine, what is integrated digital technology do?
Yes, I've seen it for the first time. I've never known that kind of technology.
Right.
It's very interesting. Kind of a touch screen, but it's not the touch screen. Using the laser pointer to make a touch screen like application.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay, so now let's check out integrated digital technologies.
Hi everyone, I'm now in the Integrated Digital Technology booth. Today I would like to introduce some of the new product in the touch panel product line from Kosa, Mr. Ko. And firstly, could you please explain a little bit about your company and yourself? Yeah.
Okay. Hi everyone. This is Codes. This is Raymond Huang. I'm very glad and proud to introduce our company and our technology to you. IDTI is a design house. We devoted in the panel design and IC design for the panel makers.
I see.
Yes. We help the major panel makers to change some the design in a amorphous silicon-based process. To make the panel itself touchable without any add-ons. So yes.
Would you please show us some demonstration of your new technologies?
Sure. Okay. Well, this is the monitor using our panel and technologies, and the most interesting things is that the panel can see. You can see many things like my touch pen, like this. So we can draw something on panel, just like there's drawing everywhere. And the interesting thing is that it also can see the laser signal, like if I use a laser pen and do something like yes, this.
Whoa, that's magic.
Like this, yes.
Yeah.
Like this. Yes. Of course, it can sense the lighting, and also it can sense the image.
Sensing the laser beam.
Yes, sure.
I see.
Yes, and it also senses your face. Yes, and it can also sense my hands and fingers. Okay? And if you write something on the paper and stick it on the panel, it can read it. Yes.
Further, the quite different things in the usually using the I know the capacitive type of and then or the resistive type of two major touch panel technology. What is the difference of your technology?
Well, okay, I think that it's a totally different concept in the touch industry. Okay? Because as you know that it's maybe the capacity type, or they have to stick some glass, capacitive type glass on the standard LCD to make them touchable. Or if you are talking about the resist type, you have to stick some film to make the panel touchable. Our concept is to build in the photo sensor directly in the TFT LCD inside. Yes, and on the TFT array substrate. So each pixel has its unique standalone photo sensor to sense the light of the environment.
I see. It's a sense the real light, not the pressure.
No, it's not needed.
Yeah.
So it's zero activation force. It works smoothly, like just as smooth as a capacitive type. You don't have to push it because it senses image.
I see.
Yes.
Can I try it?
Of course.
Yeah.
Yes.
It's a pen.
Yes. Your hands can put it. You can put your hands here. Yes.
It's very useful.
Yes, it's palm rejection.
Some of the another solution will sense the hand touch.
Yes.
That doesn't work.
Yes.
And only
so you can do that. Yes.
The pen.
Yes, you can do that. Yes.
Amazing.
Yes, and we also have some projects using finger touch programs. Like here's
how many points the simultaneously it can sense?
Okay, for this, yes.
Recently, that 5 touch and 10 touch and somebody to play the piano and stuff.
Okay. Well,
I 1 point.
No, I'll say that physically there's no limit because
really?
Yes,
Whoa.
because there are over 2 million photo sensors in this panel.
I see.
Yes,
Yeah.
but for the mass production, this type we support two points, and we launched the 10 points finger touch.
It doesn't
this year.
sense the sunlight any
doesn't
other
matter.
light. Only that the laser beam.
It also senses, but we have to. We don't think we have to recognize which is the correct signal.
I see.
Yes, so
Okay.
that's the problem.
one of the
Yes.
technology.
Yes.
Okay. But
Yes.
your main business itself is to you license your technology to the panel manufacturer.
Well, you can say so. Yeah, our major business, one of our major business is to help the panel maker to redesign.
Design,
Okay.
yeah.
The structure of the array substrate.
I see.
But it's very well. It's kind of simple because we only help them to redesign the mask, and we also deliver our own control IC to enable the touch function.
All right.
Yes. So since there's no add-ons, so it's very cost effective. And it's thinner and lighter. So if you see not the monitor, if you see the panel inside,
Yeah.
you couldn't tell which is touchable, which is not, because it looks just the same as the standard normal TFT LCD. Yeah, so it's very thin, very light.
Is there already some product in the market?
It's
yes,
for this is already in mass production.
I see.
Yes, no problem.
Okay, finally, I would like to ask you your future direction and the future vision of this,
So
this
you are
market.
asking,
Yeah.
okay,
Yeah.
so you're asking about our roadmaps,
Yeah,
like that?
roadmap or
See?
your direction,
Okay.
or your dream.
Wow. First of all, I think that in this year, 2012, the most important thing is to mass product the 10 points finger touch solution. Yes, with different panel makers.
I see.
I think that's the most important thing within this year.
Many tablet and LCD panels.
Yes, they are pushing us to deliver
Yeah,
the
market
the
itself is
sample.
rapidly
Yes.
growing.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
So the market
you
is
have a very big chance.
Yes, I think the makers are pushing us to do that. Yeah, so we have two. We have commitment with some big brands and manufacturers. Yeah, so we have to accomplish that. And the second thing is, I think the next step of our technology is to integrate our ICs. As a all-in-one IC. Which I mean is to integrate our analog and digital IC to an all-in-one. Yes.
Yeah.
And finally, I think we like to do more integrations. We like to integrate LCD control IC into our controller and make it as all-in-one.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank you. And
So I think-
finally, would you please tell a message to our audience? Yeah.
Well.
Yeah, to the OEM manufacturers, please license. Yeah?
Okay, so I think our panel sees everything, so it will see you soon.
Okay.
Yes.
I thought that it would be really easier to give presentations, for example, during the classes of universities or scenes in education. Right?
Yes. Using the laser pointer, that's a real nice idea because before the touch screen is using the your finger or certain special pen, but he was using the laser pointer.
Right.
And then if it's a laser pointer, maybe we can control the big screen on the wall or maybe a few hundred meters away,
Right.
using the entertainment screen, and quite a few hundreds of people can use a laser pointer to do something.
Right.
But
public viewing
Yes.
type of and everybody controlled.
that's right. But I don't know what's the application for this technology. Maybe some marketing people would invent the usage of this new technology.
Yeah, I think it's true. The technology is already available.
Yes.
Okay, but real, usage and application and the
That's right.
services.
Yes.
Yeah.
These Taiwanese or Chinese OEM ODM companies, they are not really good at marketing or product marketing. but they are good at technology. So it really needs to combine marketing people with the technology people.
If the audience now has any idea to
Yes,
use
yeah,
this
just
technology,
contact this ITDI and make some proposal to this company. That would be a fun.
Right. Thank you very much. Next, there are some information from OESF and World Techstream. Now, let's move on. What's the next one? World Techstream.
Yeah. Okay, so something happened. So, but anyway, we are going to go to the next topic. In Taiwan, there is Computex, one of the largest computer show in June, and OESF is going to exhibit in the Computex exhibition. Not as big as CES, but one of the biggest in Asia. So we'd like to invite many companies, even from Japan, all over the world, to visit our booth. So Computex Taipei is from June 5th to 9th, and we're going to have a big booth. This year, we are 2 times bigger than the last year, and we would have different booth, and we invite companies to exhibit their products over there in Computex. So if you are interested, the audience, please contact OESF, tw@oesf.biz. That's the email address. We don't have a telephone, but
so one of the purpose of our, attending the Computex is we would like to provide some good chance to the Taiwanese, the OEM ODM companies and some, solution companies in Japan and the world, and also to make a cooperation and to make a bigger business.
That's right.
We would like to provide that kind of place. Okay, in Computex Taipei.
So this time at the Las Vegas CES, OESF also made a good promotion for this company, I guess. So many audiences show interest to their products. So we are going to do the same thing in Computex. We provide stage in the OESF booth, and then almost every hour we provide different program. And then Miura-san is coming to Taipei too to interview some of the companies.
All right, and one of the program will be Nikkei BP's the Android application lovers people. That we would like to invite the Grand Prix people and to make a presentation that booth.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. Now we have information from World Techstream. We have changed the broadcasting date and time. It will be bi-weekly Tuesday, 5 p.m. on Japanese Standard Time from next time. It will be on Tuesday on 7th of January. So, Mr. Sekine, what is the feature of the next World Techstream Part 2?
Okay, next week we are going to show IM Watch. That's a very fancy style watch, but Android-based watch.
Very fashionable.
You may
I ordered, but not
Italy.
yet.
Oh, really?
But not yet delivered.
I'd like to have one too.
That's next week when that will start.
Okay, so that's one of the topic, and also we are going to show JVC Kenwood, the product from Kenwood, and Videon, Huawei, the Chinese company, MSI, the Taiwanese company, and also MIPS Technologies. And MIPS Technologies are creating very inexpensive tablet recently. They announced the new chipset.
New chipset.
Yes.
It's only $93. Yes.
So that's going to be very
exciting.
interesting.
That's the first
program.
Android 4.0 tablet in the world.
Oh, yes.
Okay, yeah,
Wow.
exciting.
So
yeah.
you interviewed.
Oh
those
yes, of course.
technologies.
Right.
I also ordered, but everything is sold out now.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's very difficult to get it.
Oh, okay. Thank you very much. So to contact us, please contact to this email address right here, which is wts@bbtv.co.jp. Okay, so see you in World Tech Stream next time. Bye bye.
Bye.